This is Sarvam Rai from Designy, and in this video we are looking on how you can set up your daily medication tracker spreadsheet. This will gonna be very easy process of setting up the medication tracker spreadsheet. Let's directly go to the setup process and see how you can set up the spreadsheet. To do so, firstly you need to purchase the spreadsheet template. So please go on the descriptions, and over there you'll find is the Etsy link. Please press on that link, and that will take you to the Etsy in this specific page. Now please click on add to basket. Now this will add to your basket over here, so please click on basket and click on proceed to checkout. After you have purchased, just click on your account and purchase and review. Over there, here you'll find is in your purchase section, you'll find is the product. Here in the delivery side, you can click on download file and download the spreadsheet. After you download, just go to your file manager. Over there you'll find is the this way medication tracker spreadsheet. Just double click it and open it. Here you'll just need to click on start copy now. This will take you to the specific spreadsheet, that is the medication tracker. After you are over there, please make a note that if you are opening that link through your Microsoft Edge, make sure you are signed in. As you can see here, I have not signed in. So if you are not signed in, and you just need to click on sign in and move forward to the step. Or you can do one more thing. You can just copy the URL bar over here and go to your Chrome browser. Once you are in Google Chrome, just paste the URL in the search bar, ctrl+v, and hit enter. After your sheet gets open, just click on files, make a copy. Now give a name to your file, and after you give a name, just click on make a copy. It will take some time to load, so please wait patiently for it to load. Wait till you get two different additional menu buttons. Once you get the menu button, click on medication planner setup, and now click on start setup. Now click on OK. Now in this new pop-up, just click on advanced. Now click on go to untitled project. Now click on select all. Now click on continue. Now you'll get a new pop-up, so which explains why you need to do this setup. Just scroll down and now click on start setup, and this is the last step you need to do. So after you click on this, your setup will be complete. So it will take some time, so please wait patiently for it to load properly. Okay, here you can see setup complete. Okay, so it has also explained which triggers have been created. Now you can see, now you can directly close this tab by clicking the close button over here, or you can also open the user guide. Okay, you can just click on open user guide. From here you can read the user guide as well. Okay, so we have created a few user guide, so you can see over there, read it. Now click on got it and close guide. So your medication planner spreadsheet is now ready. Okay, presently it's empty because no data is being filled presently. Okay, so once your data is have been filled, then you'll get the whole spreadsheet. Okay, I'll just show you quickly. We have is these 7 sheets, where 5 is for your processing, that is dashboard, add medicine, appointment and test, calendar and med printing, and 2 are hidden sheet, that is H1 and H2 for calculation basis. In dashboard you can see is all the details like medicine, today's tasks, everything. And in add medicines you can see is the different medicines name which you can add. Can just select active or inactive. Here a small note: if your medicine needs to be taken 3 times a day, a same medicine name needs to be taken 3 times a day, please add the same medicine name 3 times. Like let's say if you have to take M1 3 times, you need to add M1 3 times, that is M1 M1 M1. Okay, and on different time, let's say 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and at 1 p.m. Okay, in that way you need to do at the time. Okay, and also you can select the frequency, start date, end date, and etc. So here we have, you can also keep note of your appointment as well, appointment, test, follow up, refill. Okay, you can keep track of them as well, like when you need to do, you can set the reminder or you can schedule them. Okay, in calendar here you can see the calendar sheet. Here when you select the month and specific year, you will see in this specific cells, you will see the note in this way, like you have this appointments, or you need to do this refills on this specific date at this time. Okay, you will just get information about this in this calendar sheet. And finally we have is the made printing, from where you can just select the month and the year. So this will automatically do the calculation for you. After doing the calculations based on your add medicine sheet, after doing calculations, it will give the datas in this particular cells, like in this particular cells, and in this manner. Okay, so it will automatically give you what the use case of this is you can just do is, since we might not be always using this spreadsheet, right? So what you can do is you can keep track of your daily medicines by just clicking it on print. In the top side you can see here is print, or you can just do ctrl plus p as well. Just click over there and this will take you to the specific in this way. Okay, you can just select the paper size. Now you can just select the paper size, which paper size you want. If you have a low eyesight, then you can select a different paper size. If you have a good eyesight, then you can select the A4 size, and a page orientation, variable landscape. Okay, everything will be auto-filled for A4 size. Then click on next. And in pages, please look properly. Okay, so in pages you can just select all, but sometime it may not feel spreadsheet, or some may not be useful, so you can just select deselect those pages. Okay, and just click on print. Once you click on print, you can just simply click on your specified versions, and you can just cut it. Over here you can see is cut, just cut over there, and you can see is here in middle as well, you can see is cut, and you can see in the top is staple. Okay, so you can just cut it and staple it based on date. Okay, once you do it, you can just keep it in the made box, and you can use it on the daily basis to see and analyze which medicine has been taken and which has been not, to and you'll get no further confusions about whether you have taken the medicines or not. So this was everything about it. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have purchased the template, so thank you very much. If you have not purchased the template, please go to our stores and purchase the template. Thank you very much. And if you have any queries regarding this spreadsheet, so please do contact us through the HC message, or you can just comment us below as well. We'll try to give you best answer to solve your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.